Hey, Perry Jeffries, entrepreneur CFO, coming to you. So here recently, the stock market has been extremely volatile, and I posted a question on social media. What should you do in a volatile market? What's your next move? And I've heard everything from buying real estate to doubling down on dividend paying stocks, buying cryptocurrency. What exactly should you be doing at this point in time? And it's odd that though there were some decent ideas presented, not one person said, review my financial plan. That's because 80 to 90% of individuals do not have a financial plan to review. And your financial plan is what's going to dictate exactly how and where and when to invest. So, in light of what's going on with the market here, what you want to consider is this: not what you should be buying or selling at this moment, but are you reviewing your overall financial plan? Because your financial plan is the blueprint to you creating wealth, and that blueprint is going to tell you exactly what moves you need to make in a volatile market. If you don't have a financial plan, below I'm going to have a link here for you where you can actually gain access to our financial planning um, video, where you can check out what we actually send to our clients and what we use as the foundation for our clients making financial decisions. Because ultimately, we know the market is going to go up and down. That is what the market does. But you should be able to rest like this person right there is resting in a volatile market, knowing that your financial plan has already taken into account what you should be doing during the volatile market. And that's what a financial plan does for you. So Perry Jeffries, entrepreneur CFO, coming to you from someplace sunny and warm. Talk to you soon. Peace.